Good morning, viewers of Instagram. Thank you for watching here in gloomy Beverly Hills in the famous, world famous Beverly Hills Operatory. Dr. Hayworth here. What do we have here? Beautiful girl with beautiful lips, but she hates the downward dynamic pull down that her lips make when she talks and even at rest. What are these markings? These are markings of the DAO, Depressor Anguli Oris, that people get neuromodulators injected to minimize the grimacing, the unwelcoming frown, and downward pointing corners of the mouth. We're going to do a DAO release, Depressor Anguli Oris, through the mouth. That horizontal incision that you see there is going to be translated onto the inside of the mouth to therefore allow me to visualize the Depressor Anguli Oris and divide it in the upper quarter of the muscle that ranges from the corner of the mouth, the modiolus area, down onto the jawline. And it's important to stay in the upper quarter because there is this pesky little nerve that nature placed in this inconvenient area called the marginal mandibular branch of the facial nerve that, if damaged, can lead to paralysis and asymmetry of smiling. Also going to do some dermabrasion of a past upper lip lift that she had performed in Lebanon and in Turkey as a revision. And so let's get cracking, shall we? You can see here I did the DAO release on this side. The corner is up. Center the camera here. So just keep it there. This side is up after I did the DAO. This side here has a slightly downward turning corner. Again, the result of a DAO is a subtle one akin to injecting a neuromodulator such as Jeuveau, Botox, Zeman, Dysport, Daxify. And you can see there, it's already shorter. It's got a slightly upward turning. This one has a downward. So we're going to do this side now.